Well, if we go back to the schematic where we outlined everything that we know so far, so we confirm this market maker buy model at the point of interest utilizing SMT and CSD, assuming the drawn liquidity is higher. And also, every array that forms on the left side of the curve, we can extend to the right side of the curve, and once it's placed above, should be utilized as support on price. And each of those retracements lower followed by expansions higher are going to be lower time frame market maker buy models. Now, if we know this, that this is a lower time frame market maker buy model, this is a lower time frame market maker buy model, and this is a lower time frame market maker buy model within a market maker buy model, then what we also know is that these lower time frame market maker buy models will also have SMT and CSD at a point of interest with a drawn liquidity that is higher. So again, the schematic that we can see right now, this entire schematic, is the exact same thing that's occurring here, where we've got a point of interest, which is this box here. We've got a drawn liquidity, which is going to be up here, the original consolidation, as well as this drawn liquidity here, as well as these internal buy-side liquidity pools. And this SMT and CSD that confirms this market maker buy model is also going to confirm these lower time frame market maker buy models in the form of the low risk buy, first stage of accumulation, and second stage of accumulation. And so you might be wondering, how can we utilize this knowledge to identify invalidation levels? Well, we're now going to talk about type 1 invalidation levels. Now, what is a type 1 invalidation level? Well, because we know each of these swings should have SMT on the lower time frame that formed at a point of interest, they should not be broken in buy programs, because as we know, the smart money reversal in a market maker buy model should not be broken during the low risk buy. And as we know, the low risk buy should not be broken within a market maker buy model during the first stage of accumulation. And as we know, the first stage of accumulation should not be broken within a market maker buy model during the second stage of accumulation. And so very simply, all we're doing is saying, okay, this smart money reversal should not be broken. And so once price is placed above this breaker, I'm going to utilize it as support. That's my entry, with my validation being the smart money reversal. What do you want to see here? SMT. Again, let's assume now we're in the first stage of accumulation. Then once price is placed above this bearish order block that formed on the left side of the curve, we know that this low risk buy should not be broken. Why? Because there's SMT and it formed at a discount array and the draw liquidity is higher. And so this low